Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carbon monoxide detector that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Kidde Nighthawk Carbon Monoxide Detector. This product features an LED display that shows the carbon monoxide level in parts per million, ppm. You can be sure to get accurate readings, as it auto-updates the carbon levels every 15 seconds. If the CO in the area hits dangerous levels, the Nighthawk sounds an alarm to alert you of the impending hazard. This product also features a peak level button that keeps memory of the last highest CO level recorded. A 9-volt backup battery ensures that the device keeps working even during a power outage. While the Nighthawk does not self-test, it features a normal function indicator that lets you know when everything is business as usual with the device. When it is not, you can use the test button to verify that the alarm and circuit are working correctly. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kidde battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm. The Kidde KN-COP BLPM is a battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm that protects you and your household from rising levels of lethal fumes, even during power outages. It uses 3 Ah batteries that are placed in a slide-out compartment for adequate protection and accessibility. In addition, the device features a digital display that allows you to observe the carbon monoxide rate from 10 to 999 parts per million. What's more, it stores all carbon monoxide readings in the built-in memory that is also very handy for medical professionals to detect just how much carbon monoxide has been inhaled. And because carbon monoxide accumulates in the body, the device can even keep track of the carbon monoxide levels you have inhaled over time. Hence, you can take appropriate steps in time. Furthermore, the device is fitted with a LED bulb that serves as a power level indicator. As a tip, when the LED bulb displays a green light every 30 seconds, it's an indication that the alarm system is running smoothly. However, if it displays a red light, it's a signal that carbon monoxide has been detected, and so, you need to act accordingly. Furthermore, after the situation has been brought under control, the alarm can be silenced through the test unit circuit. At number 3, we have the Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Nest Protect's 2-in-1 solution doubles as a smoke detector and is a welcome upgrade from the first-generation Nest Protect alarm. This sleek product sniffs out carbon monoxide from all corners of your home, and it speaks like a human being. Instead of confusing beeps and chirps, the detector speaks to you or sends specific details of the location of the deadly carbon to your phone. After you have installed the Nest app on your device, of course. The app would also send notifications of smoke, carbon detections to your phone when you're not home, so you know what's going on in your apartment when you're absent. When you do get home, the Nest has an occupancy sensor and subtle ambient lighting that will light up your path as you walk under it. At number 2, we have the First Alert Colorado 605 Carbon Monoxide Detector. This First Alert CO detector saves you the bucks on batteries and can be easily plugged into any standard outlet, no mounting required. To keep your space protected at all times, it also includes a battery backup, so CO is monitored even if there's a power failure. Its electrochemical technology accurately detects all CO, and alerts you of danger with an 85 decibel siren. A lone button will silence the siren after fixing the reason why it went off, and you can use the same button to reset the unit if need be. As with some of the other models on our list, when the First Alert CO605 is running low on battery, it lets you know with its end-of-life signal. And finally at number 1, we have the Kidde 21026043 Smoke, Carbon Monoxide Detector. Kidde just had to make a smoke, carbon monoxide alarm, a step up on the Nighthawk that comes with an extra feature, voice alerts. Instead of ear-piercing signals at 2 a.m., because the detector thought there was something wrong, you get a civil voice that warns you if the sensor has picked up smoke or carbon monoxide anywhere, or if the unit needs a battery replacement. Being battery powered means you get 24/7 protection, whether you have power or not. And the battery cage is designed to stay open if you're not installing the batteries right, so there's no way to mess that up. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.